Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Let's go to this question po. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next element. We have A, C, F, J, and O. Is it A, T, B, U, C, S, or D, R? So same po nung nangyari sa isang video which considers a series of letters, we also need to consider here the structure of English alphabet letters when written alphabetically. But when you are going to look into this po, let me use my pen here, makikita po natin na from A to C, alphabetically, we skipped one letter, and that's letter B. Okay? So supposedly, if we're looking into a similar skipping, C to F is not actually accurate here, or not appropriate. Because when you move from C to F, you're not skipping one letter alphabetically, but you're skipping both D and E. So you're skipping now two letters. This would mean, nung idea po ng isang video where we are skipping one letter to get the other is no longer possible here. But let's look forward. How about F to J? Okay? You skipped here letters G, H, and I. Tama? Okay? You're now skipping, or you have skipped three letters from F to J. Well, you can see here from this structure that the number of letters being skipped from one letter to the other is on constant increasing number. So you are skipping one letter, you skip two letters, and you have skipped three letters. Let's examine if it's true that from J to O, we should have skipped four letters. So from J to O, we have K, L, M, and N. So tama po yung idea dito, that we are skipping an increasing number of letters to get the next element of this series. So to follow this, because yung tanong dito is determine the next element, yung next element natin should skip 5 letters. So it would skip from O to whatever that letter is. It should skip the next letter P, that's 1, Q, that's 2, R, that's a 3, S, that's 4, and T, that is 5. To follow this idea of or principle of this series. In short, yung next letter na ating element is O after skipping P, Q, R, S, and T, no other than letter U. This should be the next element on this series of letters, following the idea that we have structured using the first few elements. This is the correct answer for this item. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, pakishare na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!